News in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday chaired the state's first pre-budget consultation for the 2025-26 fiscal year, emphasizing revenue growth and citizen engagement. He highlighted Meghalaya's 16.2% economic growth, surpassing the national average, and credited better fund utilization for the progress. Tax revenue has more than doubled in 6 years, reaching Rs 3,217 crore, with excise revenue expected to cross Rs 500 crore this year. Sangma stressed the need for urban expansion to decongest Shillong and proposed knowledge cities as future growth hubs. He reaffirmed commitments to strengthening education, upgrading schools, and establishing 23 new colleges. Encouraging public participation, he assured that governance will remain transparent and citizen-driven. He also highlighted the Rs 391 crore losses incurred by public sector undertakings, with the power sector as the main contributor.
This is not actual conversion in terms of tax collection, then what is, I don't know. These are the actual numbers going from 1,450 crores today to 3,217 crores in a matter of 6 years. We have doubled our tax collection of our own revenue receipts. The capacity to absorb, to implement has gone up in Meghalaya. The same team, the same people, but we just done things in a much better manner. Of course, there's lots more to be done. I'm not saying that everything is perfect, but we are definitely on the right path.